Okay. Hi.
See, we got new puppies.
Who's this? This is... Who's this?
Ella.
This is Ella. Hi, Ella. Uh-oh.
That's Rocky.
Rocky. Rocky is playing with King.
And
Trying to.
this is Maddie. That's her mom call her. I don't know her name.
Madeline.
Madeline.
Hi, Madeline. Hi, Madeline. Huh?
What's it?
Uh-oh. What are you doing? No.
Trying to do the camera. They like to electricity stuff.
Hi. Ella? Ella, what you doing? This is not a chew toy.
What's my whining?
It's because she's chewing on her leg. Stop. Come on.
Stop. No.
Come on.
Oh, he's a baby. He's a baby. You.
Rocky. Hi, Rocky.
I took a whirl.
Rocky knocked all over
The pillows, Rocky. Don't play with that extension cord.
Rocky. Hi, Rocky.
She's trying to bite my eye. She be trying to eat my hair. Literally, she be trying to eat my hair.
Madeline. Maddie.
Look, I see the dogs over there. Last night, no, I wasn't sleeping with me. It was one of the dogs.
Madeline
Why
and Ella.
Who gonna win Tell the World? Well, I don't know. Who gonna win it?
Hi, Rocky. Hi, Rocky.
Maddie's winning.
Hi, Rocky.
Ella! Oh my God, Ella! Oh, they such babies. You want ice cream? The ice cream man is about to go past. I want to play. Can I play Tell the World? Get off the table!
No, Rocky. Come on. What's this little table right here? Come on. Don't pee on the bed. Rocky. 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 Don't bite me. Hello, Rocky. Hello. How you doing? Uh-oh. Hi, Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Where's King? King?
Last night, Mel shot through his eye. Bear's eye.
I can't see.
Mel, I need to make hidden account. You could get some free stuff for them. Prizes and gifts and rewards. Get treats. You get it for free.
Stop biting each other.
No. Let go of her face. Let go of her face skin. She's so cute. Say we got him from the social.
Hey.
Why does it smell like to be on their back like this?
Huh? What's this, Rocky? Rocky?
Yeah.
Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Good girl,
When
Rocky.
your fall, make sure you always fix it.
Good girl, Matt. No.
Oh,
Stop.
Look how you sit it.
Stop.
Eat my hair.
Good girl, Madeline.
He's trying to eat my hair.
Good girl, man.
No, that's not your slipper. That's Mila. Paper, paper. There's my yes slipper. Come on, get it out. Get it back. No, 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 no. Drop it. These cost $1. They don't have anything
Hey, King.
here.
Rocky. Hi, Rocky.
Oh, no,
No,
no.
no, no.
It's King jump over here. Where you were?
She's trying to play with you, King.
Oh, I'm gonna rock her right.
Okay, say bye.
Oh, you leave?
Bye, Ella. Bye. Oh. Bye, Rocky. Keep messing King. Bye, Rocky. Bye, King. Stop growling.
What about Madeline?
Madeline. Bye, Maddie.
What? You
Maddie.
only been for 5 minutes?
Bye, Maddie.